How to enable clear display on TikTok. What? Have you ever watched a TikTok video but the screen was full of text, buttons, and captions? Don't worry. TikTok has a feature called Clear Display that lets you view videos without any distractions. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your phone and play any video. Step 2. While the video is playing, tap on the Share button on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Or you can also tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the video. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Clear Display. Step 5. Now the video will appear without text titles, usernames, or buttons, just a clean display. Step 6. If you want to bring the buttons back, simply tap anywhere on the screen and they'll reappear. And that's it. With Clear Display, you can enjoy TikTok videos without distractions and focus only on the content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.